G'day guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cool little toys out of toilet paper. It's a great activity to do to work on your fine motor skills and just have a bit of fun around the house. So to be able to do it, you'll need a piece of paper. I'm using coloured paper, but you can use blank paper or anything you've got. You'll need a toilet roll or a paper towel roll. You'll need some glue, a Texta, and some scissors. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to take my piece of paper and I'm going to work out how big I want the clothes to be. Now I'm going to fold my piece of paper down like that and I'm going to cut along the fold. So I take my time, try and cut it really straight. There we go. Now that is going to go around the roll and that's going to make the clothes. Now when you're gluing things onto a toilet roll, you'll find that you'll need to use a lot of glue. So take your glue stick and put lots and lots of glue on it, making sure that you cover all of the parts of your paper. Lots and lots. And when you've got enough, you're going to take your toilet roll and your piece of paper, and you're going to wrap it round and just try and press it onto the roll as you go. Wrapping it around like so, and then it should stick. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut the hair for our character. So you're going to take your scissors and you're going to do lots and lots of little cuts around the top of your roll. Now you can do longer cuts or you can do short cuts. It's up to you depending on how you want the hair to look. But lots and lots and lots of little cuts all the way around. I think I would like mine to have some long hair in the back, so I'm going to cut some longer bits. And it's up to you how you choose to do it. You can have a bit of fun with this. Cutting it round. All right. So you can see that I have cut my hair. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my face. So I'm going to take my Texta and I'm going to start by drawing some eyes. Big circle and an eyeball. I might even give my person some eyebrows. Next, I'm going to give them a little nose and a big smile. On the sides, I'm going to give my character some ears. Just like me, I'm going to give them nice big ears. There we go. And on the sides, I'm going to draw some arms. Now I'm going to do little stick arms and some fingers like that. And one on the other side. You might even like to give your character some funny clothes. Mine's going to have a tie. Like so. And the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to pull my hair out like that. And on the back I'm even going to curve it down to give it a funky haircut. So there we go. here are some fun characters that you can make out of some simple things that you've got around your house. I'd love to see them, so post them up on Facebook or on our school seesaw. Have a great day.